How to fix unoriginal content strike on TikTok. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix unoriginal content strike on TikTok. To fix this, you'll need to follow the steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is open up or log into your TikTok account. That will take you to the home page. That's gonna look something like this. While you're on this page, click the profile at the bottom of the page and go to the try bar or menu bar. And underneath, click on settings and privacy. Click on the report button at the bottom of the page, and then you just want to go ahead and click on report. And you just want to go ahead and click on report an account. Then you want to click on chat with us at the bottom of the page with us, and here you want to go ahead and type in the message regarding what is the actual issue. When you do it, so you just have to follow the prompt, and you'll also be able to submit a support ticket. You need to take a screenshot of the following images, and that should be able to fix it all. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.